If you need to find a book or video, the best place to look is the online catalog. You can access the library's online catalog on the library's website in one of two main ways. You can search directly from the library's homepage, or you can go to the Books page. In both places, you have the option to open the catalog in its own window. When the catalog opens, you will see the box to type your search term or phrase in, as well as a drop-down menu of search fields. The default field is words or phrase, or a keyword search. This will search the entire catalog for any occurrence of your search term. You can choose to search by author or title if you have that information. You can also search by subject term. Searching by subject term will search only the subject field of a catalog's record. This search will typically give you fewer results than a keyword search. Because the library's catalog has fewer items than Google or a database, you can start with a much more general search. For example, if I was doing a project on living with diabetes, I could search for diabetes. My search returned 55 results. The results are listed by publication date, with the most recent appearing first. They are not listed by relevancy, which is often the case with internet search engines or databases. Notice that on this screen there is only a brief amount of information about each item. You have the title, the author, the publication date, and the availability, call number, and location. For additional information, click on the title of the result. This will take you to the item information page. On this page, you again have access to the author, the publisher, the publication date. You have a physical description of the item, which will have the number of pages if the item is a book, or the length of the item if it's a video. At the bottom of the page is the holdings information. This provides information about the library's particular copy. Here you see the call number, which tells you where to look on the shelf for the item, the number of copies owned by the library, and the type of material it is, such as a circulating book, a reference book, or a DVD. Location tells you where in the library the item is currently located, such as children's collection or general collection. If the item is currently on loan, the location information will tell you when it is due back. When you find a book you would like to check out, this is the information you will need to write down in order to help you find it. From the information page, you can also view the full catalog record. The catalog record has much more extensive information about the item itself. Much of the information contained in the catalog record we also see on the item information screen. However, some information is unique to the catalog record, including the place of publication, any potential information about bibliographies and indexes that might be included in the item, and a more extensive physical description of the item. Most catalog records also contain contents information and an abstract, which is a short summary of the item. At the bottom of the catalog record, you will see a Held By field. This lets you know all of the other colleges in the CC-Link consortium that currently have a copy of that item. If at any time you are unable to find an item in our library, you can always modify your search to search all libraries. Cleveland Community College actually shares catalog information with 60 other colleges in the state of North Carolina. So if we don't have something, odds are one of them might. You can modify your search from your search results screen by clicking Limit Search. You'll notice that you do have a field called Library, and this was on the main screen as well. Change that from Cleveland to All and research. Notice now we have well over 1,000 options to choose from. Once you find a book from another college that you would like, simply click the title to bring the item information screen up, and to the left hand side you will see the option to place hold. All you will need to do is put the letters C and V followed by your 7-digit Cleveland ID number and hit place hold. The college that you've requested that book from will send the book to us, and it will be available to you for checkout